Hey, we're here with Energia for Seachtain na Gaeilge 2017. We want to find out what the fuck Aaron Shoid is. So Hánamer and Shuka Shoid Grafton, I Gartler and a Hardcarach, just to find out just how many Irish speakers are out there and what do they really think about our native language. Okay, Millie, we'll cúpla focal agatsa.
Tá cúpla focal agam sa.
Yeah, agus céir ceapan tusa faoin Gaeilge.
Is brála an Gaeilge.
Os even an Gaeilge, stoilm gúil sean tábhairteach agus stoilm gur ceart gachtain in éiring iirecht déanamh íl áirt ó am chéile.
Emma, and we'll cúpla focal agat.
Se?
Agus céir ceapan tú faoin Gaeilge.
Tá sé go húntaach.
Íntaach agus cad astit.
Am I sanam dum?
Agus cad astit, where are you from?
Texas.
Texas, wow, so Texan na Gaeilge an seo.
I love the Irish language, but I don't speak it enough. I wish I did speak it enough, but there aren't enough people to speak it with, and then they don't understand what I'm saying.
Anwyl, cúpla, focal, agat. Do you have a few words?
Tá cúpla focal agam, cúpla focal chuirmí gáis cabáiste, sneachta, bord mar sin.
Sin na focal is fair.
1, 2, 3.
Cad is seo,
Seachtain na Gaeilge.
Rosa flies. Támas Drafur Gaelgore.
Oh, what?
I used to have a lot more words, but I've regressed a little bit because I'm living abroad. But it's a fantastic language, and I'm proud to have a few words that I have.
Anwyl cúpla focal agat?
Neil. No.
Because you're from the Netherlands.
Yes.
Right.
Because I think Irish is a beautiful language because when we hear it, we think, oh, we love the
Yeah, we say
sound.
all the day, we say
sound.
to each other, oh, I hear it again.
Yes.
Look at Brad, come on, start shooting. Come on, lads.
4, I'd say.
Got the 4. Possession 4. Fecker na cussa. Tá siad seán na te, lads. Swit swoo. Ídach, an bhfuil súla Seachtain na Gaeilge?
Oh, tá, yeah, gantáid. I hen tesa tá goni AKG big the defriúlan tesa na bheith chuid smóil an blian, so yeah, smóil mit sin na lig.
Níl mé lífachach tá glór Gaeilge gom really.
Lord Gaeilge, brilliant. And what do you think about the Irish language, Brian?
I really like it. I really think it's part of our heritage. It's a really important part of our whole culture, you know.
Bhfuil gachtain cainte Gaeilge, tá sé Seachtain na Gaeilge, bliain seo so leabhar tas Gaeilge, tá sé teangas fearr, so fair brew.
Sláinte.
So that's the scale. Tá baile clia lán le Gaeilge. Dublin's full of Irish. Seachtain na Gaeilge 2017 is sponsored by Energia. Cúpla focal agat, úsáidíd.